This is NDTV. And you're watching NDTV 24/7.
Hello and welcome to Walk the Talk. I am Shekhar Gupta. Now, I have such a wonderful guest this week. I can take 5 minutes describing her, but let me just say one thing and you can guess. My guest this week is a star whose laughter can light up a billion hearts. Kajal, welcome to Walk the Talk. How wonderful to have you on the show.
Thank you.
It's taken us a lot of doing.
Yes, it has. It has quite taken you quite a lot of time as well.
Yes, I remember at one of our screen awards, I walked up to you and I said, can I introduce myself? And you said no.
Yeah, that sounds like me actually.
I said, that's the one.
Yeah.
If you want to Walk the Talk. So wonderful to have you on Walk the Talk.
Thank you. Thank you. Wonderful to be here.
So what made you say yes? Because I know you are very reticent about interviews and things.
Actually, we're coming out with a movie right now, You, Me or Hum. And I heard that you were an intelligent guy and I decided to find out for myself basically.
Don't believe rumors. It's dangerous.
Okay, I won't. I'll judge for myself.
Absolutely. Well, I mean, I can, in terms of my credentials, I can say that I was absolutely in love with your mom, Tanuja.
Yeah, so am I. Yeah, I know, she's fantastic. She really is superb that way. Yeah, she is. And that just shows that you have superb taste, by the way, when you
Don't
say
I?
that you love my mom. Yes.
Absolutely, because she was so different. And she was perhaps the most sexiest star in her time.
You're on camera.
Will you tell her that?
Yeah, I will definitely tell her that.
Does she talk to you about her movies, ever?
She does, kind of, sometimes. But not recently, no. Not all that much. I think we talk to her a lot more now than she talks to us. So.
Who have you taken after? Mom, grandmother, nobody?
Nobody, I would like to say. But I think it's a little bit of everybody, really. I can't think that, I can't say that it's one person. I truly believe that a child is made up of each and every one of her family. So sometimes I have people coming up to me and telling me, oh my God, you look so much like Nutan at that point of time. And I have somebody else coming up to me, oh my God, you look so much like your mom. And I have a third person coming up to me and telling me, oh my God, you look so much like your dad. So I mean, they're all three completely different people. And I can't actually say that there is one person that I would take after.
Whoever you may look like, you only sound like yourself.
Myself, exactly. And I hope so. I've worked very hard at that.
And on that there can be no doubt.
Yes, no two ways about it.
Because your aunt as well, Nutan, great actor, but of a different type, very different from your mom.
Very, very different. In fact, they were quite, when I actually grew up and was able to appreciate both of them as actors, it took me aback because they were so different on screen, completely. Like, Nutan, she was more like she was beautiful. She was just so very beautiful. And mom was like an imp. She was like an elf, and you could never imagine that the two were related.
Well, I mean, so many of us, people of my generation remember her from Anubhav, and just the combination of her presence and Geeta Dutt's voice was so brilliant.
She was so spontaneous. It's like, whenever she said something, you really believed her. Whether it was, whether it was Do Chor, for that matter. Remember, I was telling you about that incident. I love that story of hers. She was on the sets of Do Chor where she was dressed as a man. And, my grandmother walked on the sets and kind of nodded at her and walked off and went into the makeup room. So mom realized that, my mother has not recognized me. She took off her mustache, took off her get-up, whatever, and walked into the room. And says, hi mom. So my grandma says, Tanu, I saw this boy on the sets and he looks so much like Jaideep, who was my mother's brother. He looks so much like Jaideep. And my mom is burst out laughing. She's like, see what a good actress I am, that even my own mother couldn't recognize me at that point of time. So I think that really encapsulates my mom as an actress.
Because she was different for her time. So that was a time when everybody was so painted up. And everybody had to look the same way.
Yeah, there was this
so painted
stereotype.
up and if I may say so padded up.